Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy churros chocolate dip. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of good quality semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/2 cup of heavy cream, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Don't forget a small pinch of salt to really bring out all those delicious chocolate notes. This combination creates a wonderfully rich and smooth dip. Now let's get that chocolate melting. In a small saucepan, gently heat your heavy cream over medium-low heat. Watch it carefully and remove it just as it begins to simmer, before it boils. Pour this warm cream directly over your chocolate chips in a heat-proof bowl. Let it sit undisturbed for about 2 minutes. This allows the chocolate to soften beautifully. After letting the chocolate sit, it's time to whisk it into a luxurious dip. Gently stir the mixture from the center outwards until it's completely smooth and glossy. Now, add your 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter and continue stirring until it's fully melted and incorporated. Finally, stir in that pinch of salt. Your dip should now be perfectly smooth, rich, and ready for your churros. Your delicious chocolate dip is now ready. Serve it warm alongside freshly made churros for the ultimate treat. For an extra touch, you can sprinkle a little cinnamon or cocoa powder on top. This dip is truly irresistible. Also, if you're looking to upgrade your home tech, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find a link to that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Enjoy every single bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.